Hello, creative friends. Welcome back to my channel. This is Heather with The Myriad Maker. And today I'm finally pulling out some things that I got a couple months ago. I had them on my Amazon wish list for a while. I wanted to get these a wax sealing kit. And so I bought one finally, and I've got a few different things in the set. I think that's like a compass. I think that says with love. Got a bee, a tree, a leaf, no, a feather, sorry, and a heart. So I thought I would have some fun today with playing around with these a little bit and just seeing what they can do. I had the idea, I made these little gift cards, just plain gift tags a while ago. So I thought what I would do is put a seal on that. I've got some little stamps and punches and some craft paper. So I think what I'll do is play around with the wax, put a seal on it, maybe decorate them up a little bit, see if I can make them look a little bit more interesting than just plain white. So I'm going to stick you into time-lapse mode, and I'll come back to you at the end. Okay, so I just wanted to give you a closer look at some, sorry, I'm not getting my angle right here. I've got a compass, a heart, feather, this one that says with love, and a bee. And then the only place I did the tree was on this one. And then I did this as a with love, you know, Valentine's Day is coming up. And then I just took a silver Sharpie here and hit the top part of that so you can actually see the with love. I did all of these on top of just a little metal container because I wanted to see what the seal looked like, but I didn't want to waste the wax, so I'll just break these up and put them back in the thing and remelt them down later. These are the gift tags that I made. I just made them out of a really heavy cardstock, just, you know, playing around a little bit. They're very plain, but I think it kind of makes a blank palette for certain things. These I'm not crazy about, but it's the start of an idea. I actually took a couple of the gift tags and just kind of sponged on some gold ink. Obviously these are two different sizes. Not crazy about that, but again, it's the start of an idea. So if you're into making gift tags and have some sealing wax, you can do some fun things with this. All right, that's it, YouTube. Have a great day.